Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a new Pokemon, Screamtail. So to start drawing Screamtail, I'm going to do the shape of kind of like, not quite fur, not quite hair, but the top of a Screamtail, whatever they have on their head. So I'm going to do a rounded shape like that. And this part here, it's not going to connect to right there. It's going to come on out a little bit further and then come down a bit. And then over here, we can start on a rounded shape, a circle. Okay, so right here and right here, we're going to have two triangle-shaped ears. Oh, sorry, you can hear my dog in the back. And then inside that ear, we're going to do another triangle shape. And then the one over on this side too. All right, so now we're going to do a couple lines here. And let's do some feet. We're going to do like 1, 2, 3 kind of toes, and then bring this back to the body. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 toes and bring that back to the body. So let's do a little arm right here and another little arm right here. Now let's do big eyes. So great big circle here for an eye, and over here as well. Now above the eye, we're going to come out a little bit and then come on up and then bring that back down. And then we're going to do that over on this side too. So come out, and then we don't see it as much because of the way that we're drawing them kind of on their side. So we can bring this back down. And now we can do the inside of the eye, which is going to be kind of like another big circle. And I'll put another circle right here, smaller one. And over here, same thing, circle, another circle, smaller one. Now we can do a mouth. It's going to be kind of like a cute little smile, but we're going to have 2 little sharp teeth. And now underneath the eyes, we can do a little oval. And below the ears, we can do a little piece coming outwards, and then bring that back into the body. And same on this side. All right, so really kind of looks a lot like a Jigglypuff, only with a bit of a twist. So now we're done our sketch, and I'm going to get started with the coloring. Alright everyone, we're finished our picture. Thank you very much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a great day and hope to see you back here for our next doodle. Okay, goodbye!